One Minnesota hospital system shared the most popular names given to babies born there in 2024, and the list reveals some trends.
In Minnesota, we are seeing a popularity of like softer, kind of vintage, sweet boy names like Theodore and Oliver and Henry.
We wanted to know more, so our show Minnesota Now talked to Minnesota-based baby name consultant Steph Coffield.
They're not super overly masculine. And then the girls' names are very elegant. They start with vowels. They have 3 syllables, Evelyn and Olivia, stuff like that.
Here's the rest of the M Health Fairview list. Obviously, one hospital system doesn't represent every baby born in Minnesota, but the 2024 list statewide hasn't come out yet. But here's the list from 2023. You can see that the top names tend to be similar year over year.
I think we hear them and they have an appealing flow. I really do believe it's about the sounds of these like top names. There's a lot of vowels if you look at Evelyn and Emma and Olivia. Like people, there's something really melodic about that, and people really love a beautiful sounding name. And Theodore, how amazing does that sound with nicknames Teddy or Theo?
So what are people going to a baby name consultant like Steph for?
Easy to say and spell. That's a big one. But they still don't want something like in the top 100. I get a lot of people who want to stay out of the top 100 of the 1,000 list for the US. And then I get people who sometimes want something interesting. And I had one client that said, I want a name that makes people pause. People are after what I have coined alternative feminine names, which are, they're not the hyper feminine like Isabella and Sophia and Olivia. They're more like Blythe and Margot and Daphne. Those are kind of becoming more and more popular. Sloan and Piper for girls. And then people also really love an elegant name, and they also love gender neutral these days.